DevOps versus GitOps. Key differences and how to decide in the fast-evolving world of software. We need better methods. They should streamline processes and boost collaboration. Two such methodologies, DevOps and GitOps, have gained significant traction in recent years. Both aim to improve deployment speed and efficiency. Understanding DevOps. DevOps is a movement. It promotes collaboration between development, dev, and operations, ops, teams. It aims to shorten the software development lifecycle. It does this by integrating software development with IT operations. It also seeks to deliver high-quality software. Understanding GitOps. GitOps is a newer approach that builds on DevOps. It aims to use Git as the single source of truth for apps and infrastructure. It should be declarative. It uses Git repos to manage application code and infrastructure configs. This streamlines deployment and operations. Key differences between DevOps and GitOps methodology and focused DevOps. It focuses on the collaboration of development and operations teams. It covers the entire software development lifecycle. GitOps. It focuses on using Git to manage and deploy applications and infrastructure. Infrastructure management. DevOps can use various tools and practices for infrastructure management. This includes both declarative and imperative methods. GitOps. It uses only declarative configs. This makes it easier to manage the desired state of apps and infrastructure. When to choose DevOps. DevOps is ideal for groups that want to boost collaboration. It helps improve the speed and quality of software delivery. Here are some scenarios where DevOps may be more suitable. Mixed environments. Companies in cloud and on-premises environments may find DevOps appealing. Its flexibility can integrate various tools and practices. Cultural transformation. DevOps helps organizations that want a culture of collaboration and innovation. When to choose GitOps. GitOps is great for teams that want to simplify deployments. It enforces strict version control. Consider GitOps if GitOps can help. It offers a clear, auditable way to manage changes. This is ideal if your organization prefers a declarative approach to infrastructure. Emphasis on automation. GitOps practices will help organizations. They want to automate deployment and improve efficiency. Conclusion. In the battle of DevOps versus GitOps, it depends on your needs and goals. DevOps is a broad, collaborative framework. It integrates development and operations. It is ideal for organizations that want to boost efficiency. On the other hand, GitOps is more focused. It uses Git as the sole source of truth for deployment and infrastructure management.